Hi, my name is Courtney Quinn, here with Leafreport at the USA CBD Expo, and I'm here with Shamaya from Gab. So Shamaya, can you tell us a little bit about your company and its history?
Sure. The full name of our company is Global Advanced Botanicals. We've been incorporated for 2 years. I have another company that I started 7 years ago, so it was a wonderful merger that we had. And we're physician-driven. We don't advertise, and we have mostly an online store, as well as you can walk into our office and purchase our products. We primarily have been educators in the industry, so we do a lot of the cannabis events and education.
Wow, that's great. And please tell us about your manufacturing process.
Well, we have 2 different sources. One is in Colorado and one is in Oregon. The Oregon process, both are organic certified farms with good manufacturing processes. And they, in Oregon, we have a product that comes with ethanol extraction, and everything out of Colorado currently right now is CO2 extraction.
Wow, very nice. And how do you extract the CBD, the CO2?
Well, in one of our product lines, on our premium line, we have a CO2 extraction, and on our elite line, it's an ethanol extraction.
Great. How do you ensure the product's quality, purity, and cleanliness? What quality controls do you have in place?
Well, I actually go to the farms where they're sourced from twice a year, once when they put it in the ground and then once when they harvest, or right before harvest, so I can see that it's pesticide-free, that there are bugs around, and that it is outdoors, and how healthy the crop looks. I then have an opportunity to go to the labs and have a visual inspection of what they do, and they explain to me. And then once we get the product in hand, they make it to our specifications, and it comes with their test that they give us, and then I third-party test every batch. We do about 5 to 6 batches a month, so it costs us upwards of $2,000 to $2,500 for everything we do. In addition, we post everything online.
Wow, very nice. And do you follow GMP?
Yes, they do. Where the products are made, they are GMP certified.
That's great. Are you also USDA certified organic?
Yes.
Awesome. What is your transparency policy? Do you third-party test your products?
Yes, as I've said before, you can see all of our products online, and every product that we have has a batch number and a QR code. So you could just click on that and it could take you right to the lab reports. Also, you can look at it online, but the lab reports we test for cannabinoid content, terpenes, heavy metals, mycotoxins, yeast, mold. I said heavy metals, pesticides, and the bacterial counts that are needed.
Wow, very nice. Tell us about the range of products and the highlights of each product family.
Well, we have topical applications. I used to be a massage therapist, so I kind of launched in the massage industry. So we have topicals for localized conditions. We also have CBD oils that we use, and we have full spectrum, and we also have isolate. So we range from 250 milligrams in a 30 ml bottle to 1,500 milligrams in a 30 ml bottle. We don't carry our own vapes currently right now, but those that we do carry that are on our website, we third-party test them, even though they come with that, so they have to meet our standards. We also have a water that is pretty unique. It's a nano water. We know everyone's riding the nano wave, but actually it's not the product itself that's nano-sized only, but it is the water also that has been ultra purified so that it carries into extreme absorption within like 45 seconds, crossing the blood-brain barrier. That's another product. And we just got a new product online that is extracted with a vegetable glycerin that is a water-soluble product.
Wow, that's a great variety. What are your recommendations for the beginner user, someone who has heard about CBD and is wondering where to start or is worried about legalities, efficacy, or safety issues?
Well, again, we're a physician-driven company, so most often everyone that comes to us has been prescribed to come to us. And also because of that, we have to make sure that our products are pristine. So when people are coming in, they're really not so sure about what they're doing. I don't like to start them at a 250 milligram because just doing 8 milligrams is really not going to be enough for them to feel a huge difference. And usually they're coming because of conditions. Again, they're seeing a doctor. So we usually start them at 500 and go up higher. They could start with like half a mil, which is 8 milligrams, and maybe take another half, a couple couple hours later, see how they're doing, and slowly titrate higher. So we start them with a 500 milligram bottle, and that could last 30 servings of full 1 ml servings, and then a topical it for a local application.
Oh, very nice. What sets you apart from other companies and brands, and what makes you unique?
I would love to say passion, but I know there's a lot of people that have passion in here. I am a stickler to make sure that everything is as it's supposed to be and really pure. I started in the industry because my family was very sick and dying from cancer, and I researched so much that I went out and I found some products that actually helped. And then when I started creating my own, they were doing well for a while, and then someone had sold me some CBD that wasn't working, and I tested it, there was no CBD. So I closed down and I gave everybody back their money. So I think the biggest thing for me is integrity and making sure that we're delivering the best product that we possibly could find and make sure that it's appropriate.
Wow, it sounds like you have a great company. So thank you so much for talking to us today, Shamaya.
Thank you very much, Courtney. It was a pleasure.
Pleasure.
Thank you, everybody.